Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Mac, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you convert a TIFF file format into a PDF using just your Mac? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to convert TIFF to a PDF on your Mac anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that there's a lot of companies that won't accept a TIFF file. They only accept PDFs. So sometimes you have to convert the file. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here just on your Mac. You don't need to download anything. You don't need to buy an app. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already opened up a TIFF file over here. So let me go ahead and show you. So over here on file type, you can see this is a TIFF image. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight it. Now, in order to convert this to a PDF, all you're going to do is right click on it. Once you right click on it, you're going to see this button, Quick Actions. Once you do that, you want to click on Create PDF. All right, quick second later, that file has been created as a PDF, as you can see right here. So let me go ahead and open it up. Okay, so here is the PDF version of that TIFF file that we converted on our Mac. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to convert a TIFF file to a PDF using just your Mac, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.